Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, we definitely did have a pretty decent little push up. The momentum on the daily and on the weekly is technically down. So there's a pretty good chance this move up is going to end up being a pullback to this move down. Now, how big of a pullback is the question? I think it potentially could go up to the 50 or the 61 because there seems to be a lot of support and resistance in this area. There's a little drop-based drop zone right there, and there's a ton of support in this area. So, or resistance or support, whatever you want to call it. So, I would suggest if you are trading below the 1 hour time frame to be looking for longs. But if it makes like a double top breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely stop looking for longs at that point, and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. So as long as it makes higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, I mean, it could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep pushing up. And if you're looking for longs until you see a breakdown, and the breakdown never happens, and it just keeps pushing up, then you would just continue to look for longs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.